Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Lydia Lin Xiaomei. I'm very honored to share my work today with you. My main area of work is AIoT, computer science, building information modeling, and fire evacuation. I'm currently working at Taiwan Data Science Company as Chief Strategy Officer. Also, I am the co-founder of Hack Safety. The company established in 2012, which is the world's first company to have AIoT concept involved in an intelligent evacuation system. This system has early detection and dynamic escape guides, making use of high technology to enhance safety standards at home and in public places. Since 2018, the product has been licensed to Honeywell to be rapidly deployed into various high-class public areas. The company is still running, but now I have a different version and I want to run another company. Taiwan Data Science Company is a technology company that helps to empower businesses with artificial intelligence to grow and succeed based on data-driven decisions. Our offering, WiSide, is made for any physical space where humans are present. We detect people flow from every smartphone type, regardless of operating system and the manufacturer, with big data embedded in our spirit. Analysis that shine light on from real-time and historical counts, conversion rate, dwell times, visit frequencies, traffic flow, and heat mapping, and etc. We also offer solutions specific to social distancing, like this pandemic use case. Major industries include retail, scale from small stores to large ones, public places, and government-powered organizations. Our presence has been covering the major cities of Taiwan from north to south, as well as the big social event, and now is looking to set our feet onward and aboard. Now let's take a look at the video of the Wi-Fi system.
Data is now a part of our lives. It is something you can't see, but it's there. It is something you need but do not know if it exists. This is how people used to collect data in the old days. But that is how WiSide collects data. WiSide can scan various signal sources as evidence of activity. By leveraging these data, WiSide can not only protect everyone's privacy and security, but can also do accurate calculation and provide the information you would not expect. Conduct people counting, collect smartphone brands. Analyze consuming habits, maintain public order. In the future, WiSide will have the largest database, the most diverse data, and the most sophisticated calculations. You want to start a business here? Let WiSide help you figure out what kind of people pass through here. You want to know customer buying power? Let WiSide analyze their consuming habits for you. You do not want people near your restricted zone? Let WiSide be your eyes. WiSide can solve the known issues now, but WiSide wants to solve the unknown in the future. WiSide is not just a calculator in the present. WiSide is the best of the future. We are the observers of modern civilization. WiSide.
The common questions from our customers, like the operator of National Highway Service or chain convenience stores, are first, how to optimize space utilization. Second, how to enhance operational efficiency. Third, how to ensure safety and security compliance. Therefore, we did some surveys and find out that the overall people counting system market size is expected to grow from $818 million in 2020 to $1.3 billion by 2025. It is estimated to grow at a CAGR of 10.3% during the forecast year. This is an overview of the Wi-Fi system. We acknowledge the signal we are able to collect are coming from people's smartphone. Therefore, along with assumption, our data foundation built by the data we collect from Wi-Fi and composed of those third-party data applied with machine learning such as linear model, gradient boosting machine, random forest, and etc. to execute model training and predicting after cleaned and featured data being set, in proactively preventing the risk of being stolen, getting into a restrict zone, and predicting the flow of people to detect where is packed with event or urgent case, and more is about the tracking in and out of the footprint. Based on this motivation, we point out the first engaged field type to deploy our solutions, ranging from exhibition hall, public area, themed area, such as Oak Street, zoo, sightseeing spot, and so on. This slide shows our cases. There are 140 Wi-Fi devices deployed in 11 cities to provide service and validation. In the past 2 years, we joined big events such as the 2020 Taipei City hosts New Year's Eve party and the 2020 presidential election campaign. We deployed and tested our Wi-Fi system and estimate the number of people at the event. The scale of the event was hundreds of thousands of people in attendance. We are now participating in building a smart city program with Taipei City government. We take 5 cases to validate the Wi-Fi system with the ticket. Fine Arts Museum, Planetariums, Malcolm Condola, Taipei Zoo, Taipei Water Park. This table shows the experimental result. We use 4 machine learning models to do the counting, including generalized learning model, random forest, gradient boosting machines, extreme gradient boosting. This table presents the mean absolute error ratio of 4 models in 5 different areas. The model with higher accuracy and a faster computing speed will be used for people counting estimation in similar areas. We had also deployed our Wi-Fi system in Jinshan Old Street, which is a historical marketplace in New Taipei City. We set a total of 10 Wi-Fi devices to collect data, provide data report, and marketing advice for marketplace managers. These are the analysis items in our report, which include 4 dimensions: people counting, customer return, moving track, and the correlation coefficient. We visualize the analysis data on the dashboard and report. For example, using line chart to present daily visit, percentage pie chart for brand status, multi-line chart for a week average of each entrance, and percentage bar charts for each location's dwell time. Also, we have the correlation coefficient table of each location. The darker cell is the higher chance the visitor passed through the 2 spots. Finally, we present hotspots on the map to display the actual crowded place in Jinshan Old Street. Let's look at the best practices for. Although the pandemic outbreak for almost 1 year and the most countries are dedicated to the prevention, worldwide confirmed cases are still increasing. In response to the pandemic, California State Assembly passed the Act AB 685 in September, which regulates employers to protect the safety and health of workers. Once there is an outbreak, which means 3 confirmed cases in 2 weeks, employers are required to notify the public health agencies and potentially exposed employees within 48 hours. Employers will be fined 25,000 US dollars, or even the workplace will be shut down when violated. The act goes into effect next year. Besides, health departments in other states such as New York, Texas, Florida also announced new workplace rules that require employers to do health assessments for employees, like temperature check, and identify potentially exposed employees. This image shows the process of how the Wi-Fi system is integrated into workplaces. First, the Wi-Fi system records each employee's mobile phone MAC address in order to record the moving track. Second, if there is an employee who tests positive, HR can able to identify employees exposed to the confirmed case in the past 40 days using the Wi-Fi system. Finally, employers can report to local public health agencies and notify those potential exposed workers. Human resource can then manage the paid sick leave and the medical aid of these workers. Our Wi-Fi system is composed of 2 parts, Wi-Fi engine in the cloud, and the other is client devices. The Wi-Fi engine can be rapidly deployed in office area with existing infrastructure. Through API connection, the Wi-Fi engine is compatible with global company equipment provided by Cisco, Juniper, Arista, Aruba, Ruckus, and Fortinet, and etc. Besides, Wi-Fi can be customized. The various collected information can help estimate which areas are crowded and provide useful protection policies for the COVID-19 pandemic. To sum up, the benefits of the Wi-Fi system are as follows. 1. Capturing presence analytics in physical space. 2. Providing location business service and the customer analytics. 3. Optimizing the utilization of various public area. 4. Tracking social distance by device, not individual. 5. Protecting your people in pandemic. Thank you for listening.